Hey everybody, I'm thrilled that you're here. I have a confession to make. So about 3 days ago I got started on a really long edit. I spent about 3.5 hours doing it and I lost all the work and I actually lost tons of motivation from that. We do have a bit of a deadline with the bus, and because I was so distraught with the fact that I had just lost like 4 hours of my life, I really haven't been making movies in the last 2 days. But we have been making progress on the bus. So this is my second edit on this video that you're going to see right now, and then I'm going to get back on to making good videos each day. I just kind of lost a little bit of momentum there for a second. So if you followed along from last episode, we have this, which is the trim for the emergency exit, and it broke a while ago. And so we epoxied it together, it broke again. This time, we epoxied it together with some pieces of steel, so it's now a steel reinforced piece of plastic trim. So this is actually going to be very solid. Now what I want to do, because there's epoxy bubbles here, we need to smooth these off using 80 grit, and then we'll go down to 220 grit sandpaper, and then finish it off with 400. So this is super smooth, and then we'll paint it again, and it should be ready to install. Feel it.
Ooh, it looks good. Yeah.
Okay, that trim project is going to be done today. We'll be able to install that today. Another thing that I've been working on is something that's pretty fun. We're thinking about the stain that we're going to use for the wood on the ceiling. So what I've done here is I've done a single finish here, and then I've done a finish, and then I sanded it, and then another single finish. And then this is the one that I sanded and then finished. And now what I'm going to do is add another level of sanding and finishing to this side, and that'll give me an idea on which is the best process for us to use on the ceiling. You can barely see it anyways without the camera, so yeah, it looks great. Put it up.
Today involves more sanding. Today is a very special day because we have one of our closest friends visiting us and helping us out with the bus, Johnny B. Hey Johnny!
What's up?
Thanks for coming to visit us and work on the bus.
Yeah. Look at these pieces.
Oh, you did it!
I gotta ask Pat if we can film in his place, because he just
whipped it up.
Where he just like steps on this thing.
It just stamps it out instead of like using a blade or cutting. It just like
It doesn't even. It's just.
Whoa!
It's like a scissor. It's a giant metal scissor.
like threw it in my face and I cut it.
And more sanding. Show it who's boss, Johnny.
Want me to wait on this one?
Go for it.
Is this a third drill bit?
Yeah.
Whoa. Mucho drill bits.
This is why friends don't let friends shop at Harbor Freight.
I didn't let him shop at Harbor.
Harbor Freight drill bits. Look at this. It's not even straight. It's not even straight. I just put silicone on the board, on the bus. And so what this is going to do is dry. It's going to be waterproof.
Watertight.
lastly, most importantly, I want to say a big thanks to my buddy John for coming out and helping us with the bus today.